Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you our new Liquor Bee feature where you can search on the label printing and the markup monitoring based on just sizes. So go to tooling and then markup monitoring or label printing. Right down here, it's going to be filter items. And if you scroll down, you see we have 50 milliliter, 100 milliliter, whatever sizes that you could have. For this example, I'll just use the shots. So this will display all your shots, and if any are below prices, it'll be in red, and then you can just change it right from here if you just want to check all your shots. Same for label printing. If you wanted to see all your 750, you can click that, but you can also type and just see your crowns 750s and then print from there. Cool little new feature we added. Thank y'all.